Imagine turning just 2 humble eggs into a tall, fluffy cloud of sweetness that melts in your mouth. Today, we're making the internet's favorite breakfast dessert, Japanese Soufflé Pancakes. And the best part? You only need 2 eggs and a handful of ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Ingredients and tools. Here's everything you'll need. 2 large eggs, separated into yolks and whites. 2 tablespoons of milk. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, that's around 25 grams. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. 2 tablespoons of sugar, divided into 2 parts. A tiny pinch of salt to balance the flavor. And if you like, a few drops of vanilla extract. For tools you'll want, a mixing bowl for yolks, another clean bowl for egg whites, a whisk or electric mixer, a non-stick pan with a lid, and of course, a spatula. Now, let's turn these simple ingredients into something magical, making the yolk batter. Start by separating your eggs. Yolks in one bowl, whites in another. Make sure not a single drop of yolk sneaks into your whites, or your meringue won't whip properly. Host whisks yolks plus milk together until smooth. Now add your milk to the yolks and whisk until silky. Next, sift in the flour and baking powder. Don't skip sifting, it keeps the batter airy. Mix until you get a smooth, thick paste. This will be the base that holds our pancake together, the meringue. Now the most important part, the meringue. This is where the fluffiness is born. Sprinkle salt into whites, whisk until frothy. Add a pinch of salt and whisk until foamy. Then gradually sprinkle in sugar, 1 spoon at a time. Keep whisking until stiff, glossy peaks appear. See this? The meringue should stand tall when you lift the whisk. This step is what creates that souffle-like rise. Folding batter. Now comes the delicate dance, folding. Add 1/3 of the meringue into the yolk mixture and stir gently to loosen it. Then, fold in the rest little by little. Use a spatula, cut through the middle and turn it over. Don't stir too hard, you want to keep all that precious air inside. Batter becomes thick and fluffy, close-up shot with spoon. Look at this texture like a soft cloud. That's exactly what we want. Cooking the pancakes. Heat your pan on the lowest setting and lightly grease with butter or oil. This is a slow, gentle cook. Patience is key. Host scoops tall mounds of batter onto the pan with a spoon, stacking carefully. Place the batter in tall scoops. If you want, use a piping bag or even a ring mold to keep them perfectly round. Don't flatten them, let them sit tall and proud. Sprinkles a few drops of water in the pan, covers with lid. Here's the secret. Add a few drops of water to the side of the pan and cover with a lid. This creates steam, which helps the pancakes rise like clouds. Time-lapse of pancakes puffing up while cooking. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes on one side, then flip very carefully. Don't rush, they're delicate. Another 4 to 5 minutes, and they'll be golden, jiggly, and impossibly fluffy. Serving. Now the best part, plating. Gently stack your pancakes, dust with powdered sugar, drizzle with honey or syrup, and top with fruit or whipped cream. Look at that wobble. That's the magic of soufflé pancakes. Soft, airy, and melt in your mouth, delicious. So light. Feels like eating a sweet cloud. And remember, all of this from just 2 eggs and a few simple ingredients. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious creations. Now go ahead, make your own fluffy pancakes and treat yourself to a little happiness on a plate. See you in the next video.